Guys, most people think that when you hit 40, your best earning years are behind you. That's not true. Your 40s should be your leverage decade. This is the decade in your 40s where you should actually make more than you ever did before, because after 40, you have wisdom, you have experience, you have self awareness, you have skills, right? But sadly, most people over 40 are stuck. So, in this quick video, I'm going to give you 10 simple, specific ways to make more money over the age of 40. And you should do these things now before it's too late. And if you're under 40 watching this video, this can apply to you too. And so if you just start doing even 2 or 3 of these, your income will change. Now, the first simple way to make more money over 40 is spend less money. Now, listen, I told you these would be simple, right? Listen, let me say it differently. Stop leaking money out, right? Cut down on the subscriptions, renegotiate bills if you can, track spending on a weekly basis, do a monthly budget. Your 40s are when you've got to manage money more tightly. Most people don't have an income problem. Most people have a leakage problem, right? Where money is simply just slipping out through the cracks. You got to fix the leaks in your 40s and spend less. The problem is most people get in their 40s, they start spending more. You can have more money if you reverse that trend. Now, the second simple way to have more money over the age of 40 is increase your value with certifications, education. Listen, when you get over the age of 40, that is the perfect time to get licensed, to get certified, or to become a master in any particular niche or skill. New skills, new certifications, they raise your income, they raise your value. And the older you get, the more your income is tied to your value, right? Your skill set, not just your time. So what I'm saying is over 40, level up your knowledge, right? And then what'll happen is your money will flow. You'll make more money because you've become more valuable based on the skills, the education, the certifications, all those things that you get. So don't be the person that gets to 40 and say, I'm done with education and learning. No, that's when you want to hone in on the value that you bring to people. And you get that value by getting those certifications, getting that education, getting that extra that's going to put you over the edge. Now, the third simple way to simply make more money when you get over 40 is get a side hustle. Listen, you're not 21 anymore. You have skill capital. You need to package what you already know and start to sell it. When you're over 40, your 9 to 5 should be funding your 5 to 9. Use your job to finance that side hustle, that side business, right? Not just fund your lifestyle. Start a side hustle and use the money you get on your job to fund it. Now, the fourth simple way to make more money over 40 is network with new people, right? People who know more than you. Over 40 is not about just socializing. Okay. I know everybody wants to have friends and fun and all that. Great. But when you're over 40, networking is what you want to do. It becomes about strategic relationships, right? Every new opportunity comes through new people, and your net worth is connected to your network, right? So you must start to hang around new rooms of new people in new circles on purpose, intentionally. Now, the fifth simple way that you can make more money over the age of 40, and something you should do now, is invest more. Stop it with the 2%, the 3% that you're putting in to your job, from your job, getting the match at 3 and 4%. No, stop that. People, listen, people after 40 who get wealthy, they invest 10, 15, 20% of their money, of their income. Let me say it like this. Your 50s are coming pretty fast, guys. They're on their way. Right around the corner, you're going to be 52, 54, 56, guarantee you. Your investments have to start compounding today. You're not in your early 20s, right? You don't have 40 years to wait. You got to be aggressive right now, age 40, putting in 15, 20% of your money today towards your future tomorrow, because the best person to take care of the old you is the young you. That means the young you has to start putting enough money to the side to take care of the old you. You got to be aggressive with your investing. You got to be consistent with your investing, and you have to be, again, intentional with your investments over the age of 40. Guys, if you're getting anything out of this video, do me a favor and smash that like button below. Also, please share this video with your friends, your family, and your network of people. And don't forget to drop that comment below. I want to hear from you. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, the sixth simple way to make more money after age 40 is to turn your work experience into money. In other words, teach, consult, coach. People are going to pay for what you've been doing for 20 years. So stop acting like your experience is worthless. Your experience is priceless, meaning that you can charge prices for what you actually know. Your experience is worth something, right? Your experience can become a product. You need to learn how to package your experience and then monetize it. Now, number 7 is this: ask for a raise on your current job. Of course, you want to present results, right? Listen, over 40, you are experienced. You have documented results ready to show. So show those results and ask for a raise accordingly. Listen, companies don't necessarily pay you for time. They pay you for your results. They pay you for the value you bring. And if you've been bringing value and you haven't got the raises that you think you've earned and deserve, just show your wins on paper, show your performance reviews on paper, and ask for a raise confidently. Now, number 8 is this: the 8th way to simply make more money over the age of 40 is sell the stuff you don't use. Simple. Turn the clutter that you got around your house into capital. You'd be surprised at what's in people's garages, right? Listen, in your garage, in your basement, in storage, look, there's stuff that you should be turning into money. So convert the old furniture you ain't using. Convert the old tools and equipment that you stopped using 20 years ago. The cameras, the computers, whatever you have. Turn that stuff into money that you can invest and probably do something different with. Look, you're probably sitting on thousands of dollars of unused assets right there in your home. That's not junk, right? That could be your seed money to get you started in your business, or seed money that you could invest in that ETF or that index fund, right? Use it. Number 9 is this: when you're over the age of 40, you need to build one income stream that is going to scale without your labor, without you having to do anything. That could be digital products. It could be books, ebooks. It could be templates. It could be online services, courses. You need at least one stream that makes money while you sleep. Look, over the age of 40, you need income that scales without more hours. If the only way you make money is to physically show up, you're trapped. You have fewer decisions and fewer choices that you can make in life. So over the age of 40, you need that stream of income that's coming in. Even when you're sitting and doing nothing, you're still making money. Now, the 10th simple way to make more money over the age of 40 is simply mentor up. Get you a mentor. Listen, age 40 and over. Stop hanging around your friends who are comfortable where they are. You need to find a person 10 levels above where you are right now. Find a person who's at where you want to be in 10, 15 years, right? And then learn from that person. The fastest way to change your income is to change the people you spend time with. Get around winners. Your life will shift. Guarantee it. Listen, after age 40, you no longer have the time for maybe one day, or I'll get to that at some point, or no, listen, you don't have time to wait around just hoping something is going to magically change in your life, or just hoping that somehow something you really always wanted is going to walk through that door. It ain't walking through that door. Your life is right now. Your opportunity is right now. Your wealth years are happening right now. So you have to move differently if you want your money to look differently. Just the truth. Look, if you got value from this video, do me a favor, smash that like button and share the video with somebody who you think could use some motivation, some inspiration to say, hey, I want to make more money right now. What do I do today? Time is running out. Share this video with that person and drop a comment below. What are you doing right now to make more money fast, legally? Look, if you're ready to take control of your money right now, step by step, grab my new book, Manage Your Way to Millions, at manageyourwaytomillions.com. It's going to give you 7 steps to build wealth, no excuses, get her done right now. Bottom line is this: you can build wealth after 40, but you got to move intentionally and you got to do it right now before it's too late. Guys, take good care of yourself and take care of other people. Until the next video, peace.